Deficiency diseases. A disease which arises due to the lack of a nutrient like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, or vitamins in our diet is called a deficiency disease. Deficiency diseases are also called nutritional disorders. The condition in which the people become weak and sick because of insufficient and unbalanced food is called malnutrition. Deficiency diseases are of three types: protein energy malnutrition, mineral deficiency diseases, vitamin deficiency diseases. Protein energy malnutrition is caused due to the deficiency of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. It affects the children in the age group of 1 to 5 years. Its most common symptom is retarded body growth, with the child neither gaining weight nor increasing much in height. Kwashiorkor and marasmus are the diseases caused by protein energy malnutrition. Mineral deficiency diseases. Deficiency of different minerals cause many disorders as they are required by our body in various metabolic processes. Example: deficiency of iron in our diet results in anemia. Vitamin deficiency diseases. Deficiency of any vitamin in our body causes serious ailment. The unhealthy state of the body caused by the deficiency of any vitamin is called hypovitaminosis. For example, deficiency of vitamin D leads to rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Thank you.